Hey, it's PE with Coach Smith, and I wanted to come on and give you some ideas for volleying. And we use this for 3rd grade through 5th grade, and we start with partner work. And so I'm going to show you some different activities that we do to help on day one those students learning those skills. And I will tell you that we use a lot of open in their cues, so I will link the slides that I have used and created using Gifs, so that the students can see what skill we are working on as a reminder and have that up on the screen. So let's get started. So the first thing that we talk about is having a good toss. And when we do a toss, we tell them they can do one hand or they can do two hands. But how important the toss is, especially on both a set pass and a forearm pass. So tossing it to your hitter. We start with the forearm pass. We first have everyone stand up, talk about good form, and I use the cues from open, so make sure that you check those modules out because they are very, very good. But we toss, and they're gonna hit the ball back to the tosser. The tosser is catching the ball. That's really important because that way it's not really wild and balls going everywhere, so we tell them to be under control. You're trying to pass the ball back to your partner. When we do that for a few minutes, and then we will switch, and they actually switch sides. So, because remember, we want those people hitting towards the middle of the gym. So we start with a forearm pass, and then we do the same thing with a set. After we do the setting, where they're tossing and I'm setting it, and them catching it, then we will combine and do a little rally. Now, you don't have to do a long rally. You could just give them maybe 1 minute to try to rally back and forth. We tell them if they go into another group, they need to catch the ball and come back to their area, especially when they are rallying, because you don't want to, number one, mess up someone else's area, and you need to be under control. So really important, and we do it for a very short time just to kind of give them a taste of it, but that way it's not too wild with balls going everywhere. Now, after that, we will combine 3 partner groups to make a circle of 6 and let them practice rallying. Is it perfect? No, but they have fun. We then move to serving, and so we have the line move from behind, line up at the blue line facing the wall. And now they are going to serve the ball. We start with underhand, serve the ball, go get it, and hand it to the next person. Then we do that with overhand serve. After that, then we will move into where we split the court, and now they're gonna practice serving. And so if a ball comes to them, and we have like 35 balls out there at one time, and so if one comes to their area, they are going to practice serving over a pretend net that first day. They're just simply practicing serving on their own. Now, we tell them that they have to serve from behind the 10-foot volleyball court on their side. If a ball comes on their side, they can go get it, bring it back, and serve. Now, we also ended the day with a kind of clean up your yard or falling stars, but they had to serve the ball. And we didn't tell them the first round, we just told them you want to hustle and get rid of all the balls. So they would pick up a ball, serve it to the other side, run and get another ball on their side, toss and hit, and then we would say freeze. And they have to have hands on their head, or you can have them sit down. If they have a ball, they drop it. You're always gonna have those that kind of roll it to the other side. If they do that, that's a penalty point plus the ball back. So then we add up those scores and see how many falling stars are on each team, and whoever has the least amount is the winner. And they loved that, and so it gave them a great practice time for both serving and then also just kind of playing a game with it. So that is day one. Day two, when they come back, we have the nets going the long ways, and they are now practicing their serving over the net. We do that with the little kids as well. The little kids on day one do the balloon activities, and we kind of throw this in at the end of our unit for the littles, where they can just toss it up and try to strike it with an open hand. So that way the littles are able to at least kind of get the feel of striking the ball and using all the beach balls. And so that is both day one and day two. And then after our warm-up on day two of serving across the net, we also tell them during that warm-up time that if a ball is coming towards you, to try to pass it or to try to set it instead of catching it, because that is a great lead up to our actual volleyball games. Now, when we play our volleyball games, we simply have 2 groups on either side. We have one team lined up here on the blue line. We have one team, or excuse me, half of their team lined up even with the lane line. And so we just split them up. We tell them that's kind of your general area, and you can move around on your side as the ball comes to you. And so we simply have them start with a serve, and the other team tries to volley it back and just back and forth. So it worked great with 4th and 5th. We also had a couple of rules. Number 1, no matter if your team won the point or not, you're not allowed to serve twice in a row. Someone else on your team needs to serve. And our kids were in a line, so they literally took it upon themselves and just took turns down the line. Once everybody on the back row has a chance to serve, then we would tell them to switch places with their front row. So that way they're getting 2 different places on the court, the farther back plus up at the net. Now, also we told them after they have made that switch once, when they're coming back to the front row again, we tell them to kind of mix up and go to a different area. That way those kids in the middle that have had a lot of play, that a lot of balls come to them, it gives someone else the chance to play in that middle area instead of on the sides where you may not get as much action. So that's just an extra tip on that. But the kids loved it. We had so much fun, and it was great for our volleying unit. So give it a try and make it a great day.